Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Affinity on your Windows PC or laptop. Now, as you can see here, I have Affinity on my computer, perfectly working. And if you would like to get the same, I'm going to show you how. So Affinity is a powerful designer by Canva. You can simply get that by opening up your browser and type in Affinity, right? And you will just hit search. You will find Affinity by going over to the search result. As you can see from Affinity here, you can't miss this. Or you can just simply type in affinity.studio in your browser and you will find it. So as you can see right here, I have it, and I can even click and download Affinity right here. But let's head over to the official website. This is it, Affinity by Canva. You're on the official website and it says sign up to download, but don't worry, it's not going to ask you to sign up. Just click this or this on the upper right hand side that says get Affinity, and here you see the button sign up to download, and it's absolutely free. Now, the reason why it said sign up is because it's required for you to have a Canva account. So if you don't have a Canva account, head over to canva.com, create a free account. You can sign up for free and you can use that to sign in, right? You don't require to have a paid version of Canva to use this. Absolutely free. Free version and you're good to go. Now, once you're ready, just click on sign up to download, and you're going to see this right here pop up, and it's going to say continue as, and that's because I have a Canva account. So it's just going to detect, and I'm just going to say continue. If you have the same, it will do the same for you. Detect, and you just click on continue. Now you can see right here that you can download it for Mac and also for Windows. So we're focusing on Windows, so we'll click on download for Windows, choose whichever version you want. So you can easily download this for your Windows PC. So in this case, I'm going to just choose, for example, Windows Intel AMD, right? For example, click on that. You can see right here that it's currently downloaded. And once this is finished downloading, guys, I'm going to just double click on Run It Installer and install it on your PC. And that's all that you really have to do, guys. Once you install that, you'll have Affinity on your computer ready to use. Very easy and very simple.